G'day. I'm looking at storage. I'm here in Alexandria today for myself and for a client of mine, a student of mine, looking at storage options. And this is a storage facility here. If you are looking to do some sort of FBM, let me just tell you the drawbacks of doing it this way. All right, so number one, yes, you can. Hey, they include a free van, what do you know? You can store your stuff yourself if you want. You can store your products yourself. You can, as goods come in, you can have a small stock on hand and mail them out to your clients. Or alternatively, you could use a company like this. Now these companies, mind you, they're not FBM. They're not FBM at all right? They don't send it out on your behalf. Some do, some companies out there do, but most of them are not. So you've got to, it's a manual thing. You've got to go down and send the packs out yourself. And the question you got to ask yourself is, do you want to do that? And the answer probably isn't no. There's no way to scale. There's no way to jump on new products, test products. Your time is better spent finding new products, finding new niches, finding new profitable products you can jump on, as opposed to storing and picking and packing, shipping, tracking your own products, which you don't want to be doing. All right, so you got to think bigger picture here. You know, do you want to be storing your products and saving a few bucks, storing and picking, packing and sending it off to a place like this? Or do you want to be scaling your business, jumping on new products, building out your pet range, your homewares range, home fitness, jumping on different brands, different types of category products, all right? So I had a chat with them. I had a chat with Storage King right next door. Storage King, prices are similar. Do you need to do shipping? You probably don't. You probably don't need to do your own shipping. Again, focus on bigger picture. Why are you starting an Amazon business? Is it because you want time freedom? Is it because you want more time with your family? Is it because you want a side income? Well, think bigger picture, right? Will you be getting that time freedom if you're shipping, picking, packing, tracking your own products? Would you be getting all that time back if you're down here every 2 weeks stocking up on your own replenished goods? Just ship out yourself. And the answer probably isn't a resounding yes. So, hey, I just want to reach out to you today. Hope that was helpful. And don't forget, if you are, regardless of where you are in the world, there are companies like that do store your products, and they can store the products for you on your behalf. The question is, you know, where do you want to go in your direction of your Amazon business? And if you want free videos, guys, or free training, don't forget to subscribe. We've got a newsletter. Links below on the screen, right? Check us out. Give us a call in the office, 02 8003 7534 if you're keen. Keen as a machine on getting something started on Amazon, and you want help, you want guidance, you need help getting something started, you need help on finding products, maybe basically getting it off the ground. Most people, when they get started on Amazon, don't know what the first steps are. What do I do? Do I find the product first? Do I find a supplier in Alibaba first? I don't know. All right, I gotta go. Have a great day, stay safe, talk to you soon. And give us a call in the office if you're looking for details, right? If you're looking for strategies on getting started and you want to give us a call, 02 8003 7534. See you later.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. You know, what's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.